Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Bai Li Jin Among Mortals, chapter 198. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Sin Buyi and Sisi. Now, the two of them, after finishing, kissing each other. Right now, Sisi, take a bath. Well, she was aware that Sinbuyi, she got really tired. For now, she wanted to take a bath, so she don't have any sweat. After finishing taking a shower, Sissy went out to the bathroom. Now, she buckled up her clothes, now preparing to go to sleep. Together with Sinbuyi, Sinbuyi said to her, Sissy, are you done washing? Sissy answered her and said, well, for Sinbuyi, what should I do? Have no power. It's all your fault. You have no restraint. Right now, Sinbuyi, she really can get up. Probably she really get vanished. Sisi, on that time. Now, looking at Sisi, she remembers everything what she done to Sinbuyi and said to her, I can help you wash it. Now, she's teasing Sinbuyi. How can this be so embarrassing? Well, for this moment, Sinbuyi, she feels so embarrassed in front of Sisi. She don't have any energy. Take a shower. Everything was fun just now. But now, the feeling of embarrass, Sissy was asking her, also trying to tease her. Sissy, you are so considerate, I will become dependent on you. Can you rely on me? Sissy said to her. Well, as if the moment, she is really a reliable girlfriend towards her. After all, I have been your sister for so many years. Sissy said to her, is that so? Well, the two of them won't stop restraining. Also, Sisi, she becomes sweet towards Sinpuyi. Also, she become affectionate. Right now, she is not shy to show her feelings toward her. And when you want to be a sister, be a sister. When you want to rely on me, just rely on me. Sisi, it's like a promise to her right now. The two of them are being true to each other. Sister Baiwa, when did you start to believe the person was Sister Bai Lichin? Well, this cute kid, she looks really cute. Also, right now, Sister Baiwa, turns out, has been following Xiaojin for a long time. The first I saw Jinner, I knew she was really special. The Gujue sacred tree is the source of spiritual power in the heavens. As the gods, sacred flowers, guardians, the sacred tree, returned to the dead tree on catastrophic 3,000 years ago. Sister Baiwa, all the gods in heaven believe that Gujue Shenmu is completely dead, except for me. Well, right now, Sister Baiwa's perception, she really believes that Bai Lijin is not really dead. Well, did she really find her from time to time? Well, it seems that she really trusts Bai Lijin. That time, Sister Baiwa, she feels it, that it never dies. Back then, Sister Baiwa, Shenmu asking me to find someone. What characteristic does he have and how can I find him? Well, Sister Baiwa, seems that she has a mission on finding Bai Lichin. Following the guidance of the sacred tree, I have been searching for a while. Sister Baiwa said to the young boy. But now, looking at it, when they are in heaven, it's a fairy of hundred of flowers. Seems that the other fairy has been talking about Sister Baiwa. She is so beautiful. Well, they were right. Seen a hundred of flowers blooming like immortals. Well, that three little fairy seems to be one to coax Sister Baiwa before. Right now, Sister Baiwa, she seems to be finding them as a cute. Right now, sees all the three little fairy. She is squishing her face. Well, they really soft, right? That time, since Sister Baiwa has a mission, I have observed these new little loose immortals, but I don't feel anything at all. Let's go to Shangshan first. Well, it turns out, time to time, Sister Baiwa is really finding her. I have been searching for many years, no result until that day. Well, did Sister Baiwa, she really got lucky on that time, really find Bai Li Jin. Because you see, flower selection, Bai Li Jin, she was really standing. All the human beings been participating that time. Why is she still eating? Still coming to participate in the flower goddess selection. She can even dance simple spring festival dance, right? She looks like she has a bit funny. Now the other fairy are talking about her. Back then, Li Jin, she was really different from all the fairies before. Why is the audience so noisy? Reporting back to Immortal Official, seems that the fairies tell Sister Baiwa the first time she met Bai Li Jin, she was really fond of her. Also, she wanted to follow her, for she was carefully watching everything Bai Li Jin's done. Now, Bai Li Jin, that time she was really glutton. She really likes to eat. Also, Sister Baiwa, she was really looking at her. Suddenly, eat that peach. With a single hand, she put it on her mouth. Well, it seems that, at that time, she was really a glutton. Sister Baiwa, when she sees her, it's a little bit disappointing, but she was really amazed by her. Sister Baiwa really got lucky in finding Bai Li Jin on that time. Our goddess, these are the clothes for the new flower gods. We'll give them to you right away. Wait, keep Bai Li Jin's. Go give it to her. I need to confirm something. Right now, Sister Baiwa is trying to approach Bai Li Jin. Also, on that time, looking at Bai Li Jin, she really looks at the white dress that she is wearing. Fairy flower, I'm done wearing it. Seems to fit me quite well. Bai Li Jin said to Sister Baiwa before. She has no idea. Bai Li Jin back then gained power, more of it. It was like she was really the lost goddess she needs to find. Clothes fits you well. Sister Baiwa, I feel inexplicably friendly when I see you. There is no need to call me Shang Shang in the future. Please call me Sister Baiwa. Okay, okay. Immortal. Hundreds of flowers. Well, seems that. And turns out, Sister Baiwa, she is not bad at all. Find Bai Li Jin to return back to heaven. But she has a good point. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!